Wednesday. I'm on vacation, but we still gotta eat. Just came back from the pool and we're a bit hungry. So I'm going to cook up some rice and corned beef with corn in it. Here I have a can of corned beef. My kids love this thing so much. Some corn, I have some oil here, some rice. I don't have any salt or pepper, but I do have some from breakfast this morning. That's what I'm going to use. Pick up some paper plates. And I did bring some tomatoes from my garden because I don't want them to go bad while I'm away. I have an onion I brought with me as well. And guys, let's check out the kitchen. This is the kitchen. I have some few stuff in here, which is really convenient. Got a bowl that I got from out of there. Here are the pots. Microwave, stove. We have a coffee maker, and of course a refrigerator. Okay, stay tuned. Hey guys, let's wash the rice. Alright guys, so I got my rice in the pot here. Still forgot how to turn this stove on. Alright, so this is the back. Salt package. So I gotta worry about the corned beef because the corned beef is already salt. So everything is blending. Just mix up the corned beef and the rice and you're good. Alright, so always make sure your water is an inch above your rice. So that should be good. So I'm just going to cover that and let it cook. Okay? Alright. Alright guys, so my corned beef, you need the key. If you lose the key, no big deal. You can still open it. And just put it there and you go around like this. I always do like this. You don't have to because once you cook it, you know, everything gonna come together. Alright? Guys, normally I would put some butter in my rice, but I don't have any, so I'm gonna tip a little oil in there. Okay? So just tip a little oil in the thing. I get the room key, babe. I'm not. So, babe is gonna get black pepper to put in the corned beef. Okay, guys? So, you might as well pick up a little salt too, babe. Just in case we decide to run another boat. Alright, guys, stay tuned. Okay, guys, I got my tomatoes here cut up, and my onions, and my corn. And guys, look. Abby went to the store and he got salt, but I don't need any salt. And he got black pepper. And guys, he got some butter. So I'm just going to cut up some and put on the top of the rice. So guys, I'm just going to cut up some butter and put on the top of the rice. You know, people will say you're on vacation, why are you cooking? Well, why not? Something easy is something that my kids love, and this will be a late lunch. Later we'll probably go to the steakhouse or something. So I'm just going to let that melt into the rice. Okay guys, stay tuned. So I washed the pot out. Figure this out. So this is the front. So, but I don't want it on low. pot is ready, so I'm going to pour a little oil in there. I don't know how much, I'm just eyeballing. Not too much because you don't want it to be greasy. I think that's enough for now, we'll see. That won't. I'm going to do my onion test. I'm going to put the rest of onions in, guys. I'm going to add the tomatoes as well. Check on the rice. Oh, look at that. The butter is all melted. So I'm just going to give it a nice fluff. Okay, guys. Looking good. Okay, the rice is ready. This is better than the kids having pizza, right? Yeah. I mean, they can have pizza tomorrow. Alright, looking good. Oh, check this out, guys. Good one. Okay, I'm going to continue to let this cook a little bit more before I add my corn. Okay? So guys, look at this. Looking good. So now I'm going to add my corn. Together for like maybe a couple minutes. Okay, guys, stay tuned. Oh well, guys, look at this. It's looking good. Let's give it a stir. And I'm going to add my corned beef, guys. Pepper, not too much. My hubby loves black pepper. That's why he had to go to the store, because he's like, that little pack of black pepper is not going to do anything. And he doesn't like corned beef, but he need a little bit of it. This is just mostly for the kids. So you just mix everything together, okay? Looking so good. Guys, so let's put the stuff away. Putting stuff away like it's my kitchen. Oil. I have another can of corned beef. And black pepper. Let's put the oil over here. Guys, let's make a plate. Wash off my spoon. to wash off the spoon. Wash off the spoon. Put some corned beef on this side. Corn. It looks so yummy. Okay, guys. And yes, I brought a cucumber from my garden. Can't let anything go to waste. And I told you about my tomatoes. So I'm just going to add some to the plate, and that'll be it. Here it is, guys. My quick lunch, both while on vacation. I thank you guys for watching. Be kind to others. Until next time, one love.